bolt of jet black lightning leaps through the roof, nitrogen freezing the room's contents as I blink. Force builds within as my freeze-dried body shatters, releasing the remains of my soul, invulnerable to the absolute zero cold. My shape is translucent as I drift. My brain and heart and spine are a broken husk of discarded scrap. Somehow I cannot escape the medicine beaker. So I'm poured into a specimen slide and am flattened. Light, piercing light, beams pure and feeding into my chain of thought, which accelerates me into outer oblivion. I'm alive and dead. A bowl of stew goes hurtling into the broken shack, roaches scattered. Mice are impaled, rusted nails, inject poison dripping wet, molten gold drunk by toothless corpse, blowing helium as it giggles in Martian. Falling pebbles bounce, horizon on, and fall up and clash.